Yeah.
Be curious about it. You gotta get really curious.
What is causing it and why?
Don't take anything at face value anymore. We don't take anything at face value. You say something, well, until proven otherwise. That's how I think.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
The fourth one's my favorite though. All right, the other one is the whole cortisol face taping video.
I didn't hear about until you mentioned it, and I don't even know what's involved. Is it like on your face?
So there's just taping your face jawline because your face is puffy, and so you get the surgical grade tape, and you're able to like put them together, and you get the swelling out. So basically, what you're doing, you're trying to treat the swelling, but that's not the cortisol fix.
What is that doing? That's not doing anything if you think about it, right? It's the cortisol is still there, running throughout your body, right? The driver is still running.
Yep.
All right. All four options are basically it doesn't treat the problem.
Correct. Not touching the system at all. You're just putting a band-aid on everything, like the whole typical medical system.
And you were entertained on social media by all of those hacks.
Yeah.
Do anything.
You do all of them, and you're still operating below the level that you want to be operating at. And that's you're still down here, and that sucks because we know how it feels.
Yeah.
And here's the thing: the overall, you got to realize that cortisol is an important part of the human body. It's not the enemy, right? It's kind of like a report when it's always high. It's telling you that something is going on. There's a load on your system that's just too heavy for what you're feeding it.
Yeah, your body's telling you something. Listen to it. It's a clue. It's giving you a check engine light, right?
Boom.
Something is happening. Pay attention and address it.
Yep.
It's too late.
Yep. So high stress, it means you need more energy. And when you need more energy, blood sugar drops, which makes you even more lethargic, right? And then you get short sleep.
Been there.
Yep. And then even when you like meals, and when you're under eating carbs, I mean, it's all relative. And it just, it's not that information out there that just drives me nuts.
And that's the gap.
That breath,
Yeah. You're not overstressed or on cortisol, right? It's just you're under fuel and under recovered. You got to fix that.
Yep. That's where our framework comes into effect. The 5 inputs, it just gives your body the steady energy so you can stop the panicking, lower the stress levels, the cortisol. So you got the vital fuel, vital energy, right? Inputs.
Right.
And the reset, sleep.
Right.
Right. It helps handle the nervous system. The toxic offload, it reduces the hidden stresses that you may not even know are there. The active body moves it, gets your body moving again. And the level mind keeps everything just locked in the regulation part of it all.
And in the kitchen, this is what it looks like, eating real food, whole foods. And it starts with every meal, right? Sweet potatoes, rice, oats, legumes, fruit, salads, right? There's so many different vegetables out there. Find a few that try them and see which ones you like. And gravitate to those, right? Meals are built around these instead of around the protein shakes.
Yes, the protein shakes is not a meal. It's not energy. It's taking your money at the end of the day. When you like the way you eat, you stabilize your blood sugar fast, and the cortisol will follow.
So yeah, and your face, it will start to deflate to look like your normal self again.
Yep.
And been there.
Yep. That's not because you tape it at nighttime whatsoever. So
that's not going to do nothing
advice,
but
babe.
Make you uncomfortable and miserable and stretch your skin too much.
Yeah. So what are one action they kind of do this week?
So at your next meal, just put one real whole food carb on your plate. A sweet potato, like I said, rice, like I said, right? Eat some fruit. Fruit is not your enemy, right? Some beans, lentils. There's so many different various beans out there.
Yeah.
To put that on your plate.
Just change the plate and see the difference. In 72 hours, you will notice the difference. More lightness, the morning puffiness, the afternoon crashes, the sharpness, the light sharpness, it all starts fading away.
So you're not chasing that hormone anymore. You're actually rebuilding your system.
Yeah, totally. And if you want the whole protocol, you want to kind of get what you want to do is go over to Instagram at Taj Haynes HQ and DM me the word scorecard. I'll send you a scorecard with you kind of energy and some things you can do around the Vital 5 framework to get some quick wins, which are not considered hacks, but get you down closer to your overall closing that gap.
Okay.
No, that should do it. Sounds good.
Okay. Until next time, be well.
All right. Take care.